This is Wi-Fi Manager Library, a popular and powerful tool for managing Wi-Fi connections in IoT projects. Using this library, you no longer have to hard-code your network credentials. In this video, I'll show you how it works and guide you through an easy project to get started. So let's jump right in. How Wi-Fi Manager Library works. When your ESP8266 boots up, it starts in station mode. This means it tries to connect to a previously saved Wi-Fi network using a known SSID and password. If the connection attempt fails, maybe because the network credentials have changed or the network is out of range, the ESP8266 automatically switches to access point mode. In this mode, it creates a temporary Wi-Fi network, usually named AutoConnect AP. Using any Wi-Fi enabled device like your phone or laptop, you can connect to this network. After connecting, open your browser and go to the default IP address. This brings up a web page where you can enter your new Wi-Fi credentials. Once you set the SSID and password, the ESP reboots and tries to connect to the new network. If the connection is successful, everything is set up and ready to go. Now let's start the project. All that is needed is an ESP8266 board and Arduino IDE software. You can install the Wi-Fi Manager library from GitHub or Library Manager. Now let's move on to coding. Firstly, we include the necessary libraries. Initialize the web server object. And initialize the Wi-Fi Manager object. Configure Wi-Fi Manager object to start. We also define a simple web server to respond to requests. I added a button that deletes the Wi-Fi network we added to the web server. Finally, upload the code to your ESP8266. First, ESP switches to access point mode because no Wi-Fi network is added. Wi-Fi Manager Library's web server opens automatically. Now we can add our own network. Now we enter our own web server. Let's try that the reset button works correctly. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe and like to support.